So when you're facing this problem, what you have to do first is to go to your phone menu. When you get to your phone menu, just scroll and try to search for your phone settings. So when you find your phone settings, what you have to do is to just tap on it to open it. So after tapping on the phone settings, they are going to be over here. So what you have to do is to just scroll and try to search for apps or apps and notification or apps and preference. So when you find any of these, what you have to do is to tap on it to open this. Then after that, you're going to see all apps over here. Then you tap on the see all apps. So after tapping on the see all apps, what you have to do next is to tap on the search apps over here and try to search for HMRC. Then you're going to find the app over here. So just tap on the app and you're going to be in the app info. So what you have to do next is to tap on force stop, then you tap on OK. So after that, after doing this, what you have to do is to tap on permissions and make sure they allow these permissions. Go back and tap on storage and cache, tap on the clear cache, go back and also tap on the mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is turned on. Now what you have to do lastly is to tap on your Google Play Store and try to update this app. So when you can see update over here, just tap on it and it's going to register on your device successfully. Thank you for watching this. See you in the next one.